Yo, what is up YouTube? It's boy Dontimtv. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys 6 businesses that you can start with as low as $0. That means you're virtually starting with nothing. Alright, so these are businesses that you can actually start with your laptop, your phone, whatever gadget you're using. Once you have your internet connection, you can start this business, and trust me, it works everywhere in the world. So even if you're from the first world country or the third world country, you can start this right from the comfort of your home. So please, if you're new to this channel, what I do on this channel is to talk about how to make money, entrepreneurship, and stuff like that. So please, you can consider subscribing and also giving this video a like. So please like this video, right? So with that being said, let me jump to the very first one. And please note that I have a bonus point right at the end of this video. Please, that point is very important. You don't want to miss it. So the very first one I have for this video is starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be a kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's really stressful and hard, trust me. But if you love what you do, if you put in the grind, trust me, you're gonna get the results. I started this YouTube channel from zero subscribers, and I grinded my way to 1,000 subscribers and counting. So if I can do it, you too can do it. Trust me, MMG, More Money Gang, we can do everything. You can do it once you believe. So it's based on belief. Now, before you start earning on YouTube, you need to meet 2 benchmarks, which are actually like very kind of hard. But if you're into the grind with all your zeal, trust me, you're gonna hit it. So the very first one is actually accumulating 1,000 subscribers and also getting 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Right? I don't know which one might be difficult for you to acquire, but me, getting the 1,000 subscribers wasn't really a big deal for me. I actually got it within a year. But the 4,000 watch hours, man, that thing is crazy. But trust me, you can do it. It's all about consistency. It's all about putting in the grind. Let me tell you one key to success on YouTube. The very key to success on YouTube, forget about all those professional videos telling you to improve on your tasks and stuff like that. No, they're actually important. I'm not gonna lie to you. They're actually important, but the very key to success on YouTube is actually consistency, right? If you can be consistent for 3 good months, trust me, you're gonna see a massive result on your YouTube channel. I mean, trying to post a content every day or once in 2 days, trust me, within 3 months, you're gonna see a very massive increase. And trust me, the growth on YouTube is very exponential. So it's gonna keep skyrocketing, rewarding exponentially to be increasing. So once you put in the grind, trust me, you're gonna see results. And also, I did some couple of videos on how to create a YouTube channel, because I know that's the problem that some of you might face creating a YouTube channel. So you can check on the list of my videos, you're gonna see that. And also, I did some couple of videos relating to how to improve on YouTube channel, right? So please, that is all I have for YouTube channel. You're actually gonna create your channel, is free. All you need is a Gmail, and creating a Gmail is actually free as well. So you can go ahead and watch that video. Everything about it is free. So you're starting with $0. And trust me, if you do all this thing I just told you and you meet those 2 benchmarks, you can grind your way towards earning at least $100. And there are a bunch of other ways you can earn through YouTube. Not only the AdSense program, you can start doing affiliate program, referral program, and if you grow your audience to a very reasonable amount, sponsorship will start coming. So I've actually done some couple of sponsorships on this channel. I didn't really take much, I didn't really make much money from that, but at least it's something. So it gave me that motivation that, man, the cake is already coming. So if you put in the work, trust me, you're gonna see massive results. And once the result starts coming, the money starts coming. All right, so you can consider opening a YouTube channel now, right? Now, the second one on my list is Instagram marketing. I actually underrated this Instagram marketing, not until one of my friends, shout out to Black Hustlers Club, is the one that actually explained how the Instagram marketing works and how much you can be making through Instagram marketing. So Instagram marketing is actually kind of influencing job, right? So it's about opening an Instagram theme page, right? So how to get started on this business? First, you need to find something that gives you interest, all right? Let's say you're a fashion nova or fashionista, whatever. You love fashion, or maybe you love about weight loss, you love about cars, you love about anything that you know that people might look for, right? Maybe anything at all that you want to do. So you can go ahead and create, or maybe how to make money, entrepreneurship, anything at all, any niche that you know that you love doing, or you love to talk about, or post things about, or maybe motivational posts, anything at all. So you can choose the niche, find a very suitable name that will suit whatever you're doing, right? So once you're done doing that, go ahead and create an Instagram page, right? Grow an Instagram page. And if you want me to do a video on opening an Instagram page and growing it from 0 followers to 1,000 followers, maybe within 1 week or maybe 1 month, I can do that. So you can actually open the Instagram page. Now you need to create a very fascinating Instagram page so that when people visit it, they will know that you're out for business. Now you need to be posting as much as 4 to 5 to 6 posts a day, 4 to 5, 6 posts a day. Now, if you want to grow the page massively, like very fast, make use of hashtags. That will actually help you to skyrocket your Instagram page as fast as possible. Now, I know you might be wondering, does Instagram pay? Does this one happen? No, Instagram don't actually pay. If they pay, I don't know about that. But you can monetize your Instagram page by what? By accepting sponsorship deals. Trust me, when you grow your page to at least 10,000 followers, sponsorship will start coming on their own. You don't need to go after them, but even if they're not coming, you can approach some companies on their Instagram page telling that they can run this promotion for them, right? In case you have an Instagram page that's up to that amount of followers, you can do the same thing. I actually do the same thing for my YouTube channel. When I see a very good thing or platform that pays, I will do a very thorough research about them. When I find out that they're actually legit and not scammers, I will go ahead and send them a message telling them that if they want, I can do an advert on my channel. So if they accept, we cut the deal and I go with the money, right? So you can do the same thing with the Instagram marketing page, right? You can approach some companies, and if you cut the deal, you can promote. A lot of drop shippers make use of Instagram influencers. So any drop shipping guy that is into the niche that you're into, right, they can approach you and pay you as much as $30 to $50 to post for only 24 hours, or maybe to post on your main page as a post, right? They can pay you more than $50 to do that. So I think this is actually a very good side hustle that can start with $0, because opening an Instagram page is very, very free, right? So you can do this right from the comfort of your own, even doing your 9-to-5 job or whatever job that you're doing. So you can start this, even though it might take you a little time to grow your page to a reasonable amount of following before you start making this money, right? But you can do it, trust me.
Third one on my list is freelancing. So freelancing is a way of selling your skill for money. So I'm going to be recommending some popular websites where you can start freelancing and then be making a whole lot of money. So there are a bunch of freelancing websites, but I'm going to be recommending only two, which is Fiverr and Upwork. So you can go ahead and sign in for any of them, but mostly I'm recommending Fiverr because there are a lot of buyers there, right? So you can go to Fiverr and create accounts wherever you are. So they accept from every country. You can go ahead and do that right now. Now you need to find something that you're very, very good at. You don't need to venture into anything just because you like the niche, or maybe you can like the niche and then you can venture into that, but you need to be very good in what you're doing so that you don't end up not making any sales. So even if you don't have a skill, there are things that you can actually do, just like the voiceover. So I believe everybody can talk, maybe, I don't know, but everybody can talk. So once you can talk, you can be a voiceover artist or anything at all. So I believe there is a skill they can do. So there's a skill you can present. You can go ahead and sign up for Fiverr.com or Upwork.com and go ahead and start rendering yourself. And please, Fiverr is free, Upwork is free. So you are starting with absolutely $0. Don't worry about any money. Don't worry, nobody's gonna charge you anything. You can go ahead and create a profile. When I started doing Fiverr initially, it wasn't really easy for me, all right? Creating my profile, after months, I wasn't getting any message. I wasn't selling out, all right? Not until I bumped into my brother's channel, Daniel's Hustle, right? He has done a whole bunch of videos on how to sell on Fiverr, all right? I think the guy is a pro in what he's doing, just like what I'm doing here, right? So you can go ahead and watch his video. His videos is actually very important if you want to start Fiverr. So you can go there and learn how to rank high, right? So once you're able to rank high, at least the first 10 or first 5 in the search box, all right? Once you're able to rank, you're going to be making a whole bunch of sales on a daily basis. So you can go ahead and search on YouTube for Daniel's Hustle, right? If you search for Daniel's Hustle, you can see his video. You can go there and learn a whole lot of things about Fiverr. Or maybe anytime I can start doing Fiverr video, because I have a whole bunch of knowledge on how to make out sales on Fiverr. So maybe with time I can start doing videos like that. Now the first one I have on my list is selling flipped items, right? Selling flipped items. So flipping is actually like buying something that is very, very, like say, old, all right? Something that is old or whatever, something that someone is not using, or they don't really need it, so they want to sell it out at a very, very cheaper rate, right? You can sell it out for $3 or $5. Okay, let me take for an example. This is actually my mouse, a wireless mouse, right? Let's say I want to flip this, or maybe somebody doesn't really need it again, right? Or maybe they're really in need of money, right? They are really in need of money. They want to sell it out and make use of the money they want to get from selling this. So you can go ahead and buy it, and when you buy it, you can refurbish it as well, just because this is actually new. Because if you're buying flip items, they're gonna be real, like they're gonna be new and worth it, right? Just that the owner wants to get rid of it, maybe he wants to get a new one, or maybe he wants to invest the money, right? So you can go ahead and buy it. Let's say a spoiled phone, or maybe phone that really, maybe a broken screen, and he wants to sell it. You can buy it and repair the screen, then increase the price and resell, right? That's actually what flipping is all about. So you can do this right from anywhere you are. There are a whole bunch of online websites that offers the opportunity for people to flip their items for free, right? For free. If you're in Nigeria, if you're anywhere, if you're in USA, if you're in UK, Canada, anywhere, so you can make use of OfferUp and a whole bunch of other websites that can offer you that. You can buy iPhones, like very useful stuff for as low as $50, $100, depending on whatever you're buying. So you can buy that, refurbish it, and can resell it on sites like you can resell it to people around you, right? You can resell it to people around you. So if you're in Nigeria, I'm gonna be recommending this website called gg.ng or gg.com, right? You can visit Gigi, you can see a whole bunch of stores that people want to get rid of. I actually have a shop on Gigi, right? Shop doesn't mean a physical shop, no, to actually allocate a shop to everybody that registers on Gigi. So I have a shop, we actually sell something. My own is actually a skill, right? I render a skill on Gigi. So you can, it's not only a product you can flip your skill. I know, I'm not really serious, but you can actually sell your skill on Gigi, right? But trust me, you can sell flipped items. If you go there, there are a whole bunch of people that wants to get rid of their old items. So you can acquire that and go on popular websites to resell, or you can resell to people around you and also increasing the price, right? You can also buy spoiled phones, right? Spoiled phones, and then repair it and sell it out. Or you can actually buy laptops that are not really working. They can resell the parts individually and make your money, right? So that's actually, yeah, you're actually gonna use the money, but trust me, you're gonna get your money back, right, in multiple. So it's actually an investment, right? It's actually an investment. First of all, you don't have it, right? You don't have the product, so you can decide to actually get it, work on it, and resell. That's actually making your money back. So that's actually about selling free items. All right, the next one I have on my list is creating a course online. This is actually gonna be like difficult for people that don't really know how to write, just like me. Like, I don't really know how to write. I started online hustle with blogging, and at the point I just realized that, man, you're not really a writer. You don't have that flair for writing. You just want to make money off blogging, right? So at a point I just had to like stop blogging. So my advice goes to you: if you're doing anything because of money, if you want to start YouTube because of the bag, like, no, you're not gonna get the bag just like that, right? Just do it for the passion you have for video. Like, if I was doing it for the money, like, I would have given up long time ago. But I actually do videos because I love doing videos and I like talking in front of the camera, right? So you can start writing course if you can. Like, if you can write course, there are a whole bunch of stuff. Like I listed, the first one is actually opening a YouTube channel, and other ones Instagram marketing, freelancing, flipping an item. So anyone you can do, you can choose anyone. But if you're not good at writing, don't go into that course. You might not really make sales. Now, you start a YouTube channel and you're able to write a course. Trust me, you can send it out to your followers. So if you want to venture into that, I would advise you build a very good following, all right? But if you don't have any already made audience, or if you don't have anything at all, you just want to start writing because it starts selling out. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to have already made audience, or you can go one via Instagram marketing or YouTube. Right now, there are a bunch of sites that offers you the opportunity to sell your course online, right? They offer you the opportunity to sell your course online, but trust me, you can do it. If those who are selling out can do it, you too can do it. But trust me, it's not really easy because you're gonna grind and grind, like post multiple courses, and fear people that is around you to buy courses from there before you start making sales from people you don't know. So just like freelance, when you get your views, people will buy more of your course. So, but trust me, if you're good in what you're doing, they can make sales. Actually, there are a bunch of sites like teachable.com, Udemy, and a whole bunch of other ones. Remember, there is something I will tell you at the end of this video, so please stick around to the end, because that point is actually going to help you, especially if you want to venture into YouTube, right? It's going to help you a whole lot, right? Now, the last one on my list is affiliate marketing. Though this affiliate marketing might sound like, damn. Affiliate marketing is actually a way whereby you sell out a product that doesn't really belongs to you, right? But you get some commission for selling out the product. Now, there are big websites they can sign up for, but for me, I make use of ClickBank, and I'm going to be recommending ClickBank to you, right? ClickBank is actually the world's biggest affiliate marketing platform, right? That's the one I know, though. If there is any other one, there are a bunch of other ones. There are a whole bunch of other ones. I can't really remember them right now, but now I know some people in some countries might not be able to access ClickBank because of some restrictions, which I don't know why they do that, right? But trust me, you can use a VPN, because me, I'm actually Nigerian and I stay in Nigeria, so I make use of my VPN to get along while using ClickBank. And PayPal, they pay through PayPal. Now, if you don't have your PayPal, I did a video on how to open a PayPal right from Nigeria or any third world country or any disallowed country at all in the world, right? You can open a PayPal account right there with a method. So go ahead in my video list and search for where I actually talks about how to open a PayPal account in disallowed countries. It's actually going to help you. So you can go ahead and sign up for ClickBank. with VPN, right? Use the PayPal that you've opened to like register and stuff like that. Trust me, once you make any sale, you're gonna get paid. Now let me say something very clear. Affiliate marketing is not easy. Like, when you come nearer, affiliate marketing is not easy. Like, it's not easy at all, bro. Like, when I started affiliate marketing, I didn't make any sale for months, like very huge amount of time. Like, I didn't make any sales. I was trying a whole lot of things. I couldn't make a sale. Not until I bumped into the same brother, Daniel's Hustles. He helped me a whole lot. Like, his videos helped me a whole lot into making sales through affiliate marketing. And I actually enjoy his videos. I mean, I take him like a pro, like a model, right? I learn a lot from his videos. You can learn affiliate marketing from him as well. So I'm recommending his video as well if you want to learn affiliate marketing, right? I'm actually combining my studies and YouTube, right? It's not really easy, but other people are doing it, so why can't I do it? I can. So if people can do it, me too can. If I can, you too can. So that's actually the end of the video, right? Now I know you are probably waiting for the point that I want to tell you guys. Now, if you want to go into YouTube channel, trust me, to grind from 0 subscribers to 1,000 and also from 0 watch time to 4,000 watch time, is not really gonna be easy. Trust me, I'm gonna tell you. Like, I'm not trying to discourage you right now, but I need to tell you the facts. Now, the point or the bonus point I want to give you guys is this: if you want to go into YouTube, right, and you don't think you can get all those requirements in the shortest period of time, now there are ways to like buy watch time and subscribers. This is actually illegal. Like, it's very illegal from the YouTube terms and conditions, but if you buy it from the sources I recommended, YouTube is going to recognize it as organic, right? Very organic. So I actually did a video about that. It's actually a tool website that can help you to get monetized within 7 days, right? It works. I didn't really use it on this channel, right? I use this for some couple of channels that I still handle. So you can do that if you want to do this. You can do that if you want to do that. If you don't really want to do that, man, you can stay on your own and grind your way through, right? So if you want to do that, that video would be in the link description. Watch the video. Once you're done watching it, you're going to learn the processes on how to do it. And once you're done doing it, go ahead and create your channel and apply the processes. You can buy those subscribers and your watch time and get monetized immediately. And once you get monetized, you can start making a whole lot of money. So with that being said, I think I'm gonna bring this video to the end. If you didn't watch my giveaway, whereby I gave to the homeless, we gave to the homeless, you can go and watch the video. The video is actually amazing, right? With that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, and please make sure you stay safe and stay strong. Give this video a like, thumbs up. Drop a comment down below if you do like the video. Tell me why you like it. If you don't like it, tell me why you don't like the video. And follow me on Instagram at Dontimtv, right? With that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace out.